Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's yalon.hutchinson, and in today's video I'm back with another headband wig, and this one is in collaboration again with Vshow hair. You guys saw another headband wig I did with them before, and I really love that hair. So I'm back with another one. I have nothing but high expectations because their hair quality is really bomb. So yeah, let's just get straight into this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get into it. Alright, so as you guys can see right away, the nice black and gold packaging. I love that whole aesthetic. And then this is their Kinky curly unit, and this is in a 20-inch. So we got some longer hair this time and a different curl texture. And of course, included with it is the headband. So, you know, they always give you a little variety that you can put over and just switch up the look if you want to. And then it includes a wig cap, and that's pretty much it. So my hair is already prepped for my headband wig. Of course, this time I did do a middle part, so I have a little bit of my hair left out with a middle part and just some baby hairs, and then the rest is just two little dookie braids and my cap on my head. So we're gonna go ahead and just get straight into this hair. So you guys know, like, curly textures are my fave. So we have this really nice curly texture. It looks really pretty. I love the kinky curly. Kinkier hair always looks better on me just because my natural hair is kinkier, so it just fits my face better. So I really like that. And then attached, of course, is your headband. And then you have the combs inside, which latch onto your hair and keep it on your head. So yeah, and then the Velcro in the back, you just unsnap it, and then I'm just gonna put this right onto my head. Okay, it's on, and then I'm just gonna secure it in the back. All right, and this is the hair fresh out the package. It is so freaking cute. I love this. Ooh, and my edges is laid today too. Just laid. I use the Aloe Naturals Aloe Berry Styling Gel to like slick down, and then their edge control as well. And girl, hair is laid. This is such a beautiful texture. Like, look at those curls. So pretty. The hair is really soft. It's the perfect length too. Ooh, girl, you already know when you wet this hair, put some styling product in it, the curls are just gonna pop even more. Like, this is really gorgeous hair. I love how it's looking just fresh out of the package. Really nice. Ooh, this is gonna be my new look. This is really cute. I love this one. Perfect. And you guys know I love my headband wigs because you can do all the styles, buns, ponytails, half up, half down. You can even straighten this hair if you wanted to. Like, you can do anything with these headband wigs. So they're my favorite thing ever. This is so cute. I love this. It's really like the perfect texture. Like, this goes with like my face, so it fits me, you know. I really like it, and I love it with the middle part. I think that looks really cute. Like, it looks effortless. You guys see how quick I just put this on and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to show you guys like the different headbands that are included. You guys have probably seen these in my other videos though, but I have the yellow floral, the blue floral, and this one. So yeah, they pretty much have their standard headbands that they include, but I feel like it looks really good with this black headband, and the quality of the headband feels good as well. Okay, I'm also going to show you guys what the hair looks like wet, but this is the first headband. It's so cute. I love this pop of yellow. Really pretty. So gorgeous. This hair is everything. Like, this yellow looks really good. And I kind of like to twist the headband to the side. I don't like when it has that, what is this, like this like loop thing in the front. I kind of move it to the side, and then it makes the headband wider too. I like that look. So this is how I wear my headbands. Really cute. Okay, and then this is the burgundy one. I like this one because it just looks like fall time to me. It really gives me like fall vibes, so I really like this one as well. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and wet the hair so you guys can really see what this hair texture can do. Okay, so for this hair, I'm just gonna use my spray bottle. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. I keep forgetting I need to buy a new spray bottle because this one's like on its final days. I've had it for like over a year now. But I'm just gonna use this, and then I'm gonna use my Vshow Curls leave-in / detangling spray. I feel like this kind of hair texture just needs something light. It doesn't need too much of a heavy product. When I wear wigs, I don't like to use like heavy products on them. I pretty much just like to use really light curl defining products. I feel like it keeps the quality of the hair nicer for longer too. So yeah, I'm just wetting it a little bit, just getting the hair kind of damp. It doesn't need to be drenched or anything like that. Just dampen the hair. And this hair is very full, so you get good quality. It's not skimpy hair. I don't see any shedding yet. It's just nice and soft. So yeah, I really like their hair quality. It's good. No complaints so far. Okay, so now I'm taking the Vshow's Refresh and Detangle Spray. And this has a very light scent to it too. So that's another thing I like. I don't like my hair to really smell like too much, because I don't like it to overpower when I'm wearing perfumes or anything like that. I like for my hair products to have a pretty light scent when it comes to wearing wigs and stuff. But as you guys can see, it just starts to define the hair really good. Has really nice definition. Like I said, the hair is super soft. It's really nice. So this is what it looks like with some product. So I didn't give it that super defined look. I just added enough product to give it some definition. If you want it thoroughly defined, I highly recommend the Shea Moisture Wash and Go Curl Primer. That gives your wigs and stuff so much definition. Like if you're looking for extra definition. But with curly hair, I do kind of like when it has definition but a bit of frizz, because I feel like it looks way more natural. But y'all, this hair, gorgeous. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay guys, so I just went to go take a quick little fall looking picture. That's why I changed into this sweater. You guys will see that on Instagram, of course, featuring this hair. But I really love it. It's so cute. Definitely check out Vshow hair if you haven't already. I will have all their information linked in the description box below. They have a huge variety of different types of headband wigs on there, plus other wigs, so there's sure to be something that you'll like on there. Like, they have a huge variety, and like I said, quality. Like, look how gorgeous this hair is. Quality. So yeah guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.